person, I asked him, okay, so did you sing in any plays? He said yes. And I said, what did you sing? Cellophane. Cellophane. So that was all his experience. So we came along with, so two things about that. He's not introverted, he just sings so. He's very smart, he thinks a lot. The process of studying voice, as many of you know, is hard. And he always took a pause and said, that's how it was, that's how it was. He practiced, and also, he never, ever missed one lesson. He's the only student that never, ever, I said, God, I need So he always goes there, and always with a great attitude. So welcome to his senior recital, enjoy, and welcome Dan and his collaborators in this case.